Okay, we will continue with the second codes in which we need to write a program segment to determine and display the location with the highest water level. Based on this sample data, based on the user input, we will identify which location has the highest water level. And then at the end, we are going to display the appropriate river name according to its water level, highest water level. So we need to declare one variable to store the highest water levels. So and define it as double, as it's to be similar with the water level, but this time it's we are going to use this variable as the comparison. And as we are required to write a program segment, so we are going to write the codes inside the main. Okay, still inside the main, and we will start with assigning our pointer. For example, here we are using car pointer and set into to be pointed to the first pointer, which is head pointer. Okay, then next is we need to set the variables highest water level to be equal with the, assume that it will be equal with the current pointer data dot water level. Then we are going to go traversing into the linked list. So we need to use this car pointer. Well, car pointer is not equal to null. Okay. So what we need to do is we are going to traverse into the linked list. So therefore, we need to do some comparison. If now the highest, this highest water level at the moment, okay. At first, it will take whatever value as the first value pointed by the pointer. So now we are going to compare if it is if the current highest water level is less than the first nodes in the list. So then what we this one cannot do this. What happen is we will set, so we are going to set that if it is lower than the current value in the node, then we set this variable to get to take the value of the current current nodes. Okay, then after that we are going to set car PTR to move, okay, equal to PTR next. So therefore it could move to the next node. Okay, then we are going to display the river name and its corresponding water level. Okay, it seems that we also need to consider on the river name. Then we also need to define one variable to store the value of the name for the highest water location, as it is also a type of river name is type of string character. Then we need to declare like this one, highest water level location. And Okay, we need to declare to include string, since that we are going to use string. Okay, string instruction, string function, which here we are going to, just like this statement, we are going to assign the value of the highest water location strings, and then we need to in order to copy the value of a string of character, we need to call this strcpy from string.h. So then we call highest water location, copy the current value of river name. Okay, then there goes the same thing with the statement here, as it goes going traversing. When it finds the value, it's found the appropriate value, it will also copy the value, taking the current value. Then therefore, once we finish doing traversing around the linked list, okay, this is traversing, this is the standard codes for traversing linked lists, nodes in linked list. Linked list. Okay, then once we finish doing this, then we are going to print with appropriate output, which is display the appropriate river name is corresponding water level. Okay, you can say like yes, water level is percentage at percent. We can just call highest water level. Highest water level and highest water location. This one is okay, the location name. So let us just follow with this data in the table. Had Sungai Samburu, location 01, 3, location 2, 3, 5, 2, 4. Okay, content release. Highest, and at the moment compared to this, because I just set to two values, inserted values, so highest water is at Sungai Lurus. There must be something. Okay, let's check. At highest water level, this person LF. Okay, It's only regarding on the formatting point to F. That's all.